Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name is June with RDH Care. In our channel, we share positive parenting tips. Follow us now to have more ideas on parenting inspirations. Singing to your child can enhance your bond in a relationship. It's easier to bring new phrases or vocabulary to them. Also, it will help your child practice listening skills. Previously, we introduced the importance of teaching your child sign language. In today's video, we are going to sing You Are My Sunshine together with signing ASL. Hope you and your family will have a wonderful time and sign together. First, let's learn the signs. Please note, we're changing the lyrics from Please Don't Take My Sunshine Away into I Love You More and More Every Day. This is how we sign sunshine. Happy, sky, gray, dear, I love you, more, every day. Now let's sing a sign together. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. I love you more and more every day. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. I love you more and more every day. That's for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us to get more. See you next week.